Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. I want to talk a little bit here about my Robinhood app. I'm really not fond of Robinhood, but I like the platform. Because Robinhood had a little scandal a year or so ago. These are just some of the stocks that I picked. I'm really not fond of the stock market, but if one has a substantial amount of money, you can make a lot of money in the stock market, or not. You can dollar cost average in on certain stocks over time, and you could build a wealth that way. There's a lot of ways you can make money in the stock market. I'm used to my phone, using this Robinhood app on my phone. So we have some announcements here today. What are they? Now you can trade options in a tax advantage account with Robinhood Retirement. The only IRA with a 1% match. 1%? Geez, what can I do with 1%? Limitations apply. Hedge with long puts, generate income with covered calls, and more. Plus, with no commission or per contract fees, your retirement savings have the potential to grow even faster. Other fees may apply. Options are risky and are not suitable for all. I always make money with options. Your crypto account statement, Instacart. Let's see, what is this? ARM Holdings Incorporated, Next Gen Energy. Let's see, your order was filled at the end. Okay. Update, your order to buy 9 shares of NXE, Next Gen Energy. I actually own this stock. Through your brokerage account has been filled. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go to see, check my account here. Okay, now let's go back here. So this is down today. One day, the stocks that I picked, Next Gen Energy. This is just playing around. You have to do your due diligence when buying stocks. What is the company's price to earning ratios? What's their debt ratio? What's their income ratio? And especially their management. Because I don't think anybody, I don't care how good of a manager they are going to be prepared for the storm that's going to come. And everybody knows if their company is in the stock market and has initial public offerings, they only care about their shareholders. If I buy this, I actually own $53 worth of this company. So if those clowns don't do what I tell them to do, or if they start making bad decisions, they're costing me money. And every shareholder has a say. The more shares you own, the more say you have. So if they start making bad decisions, in the last week, it's down 4%. This was up to 25% last week. The last 3 months, that's 17.57%. That's not bad for 3 months. So these are just some of the stocks that I've chosen to pick. And look, my stocks are up. Okay, let's see here. Let's see, in the Robinhood app, cash, I got like $3 there. Investment earned. Start earning 4.9. Earn interest on your uninvested cash. You can lend it out. Here on Robinhood, you could transfer accounts in consolidating assets. I can earn 4.9% on my uninvested cash. I can lend out my stocks, but that doesn't pay very much. It's not worth it to me. Retirement, get a 1% match. I could give a rat's butt about 1%. And reinvest your dividends. You know, dividends are where the company shares profits. People with a lot of money put their money in stocks of their choosing that pay good dividends, and they live off that. You know, or you could reinvest your dividends and buy more stocks. You know, here, I don't know what this trending list is, but it has sectors. Right here, we could trade crypto. We have the technology sector, the growth and value ETFs. That's a good way to get exposure. Instead of just buying one stock, you can invest in an ETF in multiples of companies. IPOs, initial public offerings, access, tech, media, and telecom, technology, tech, energy and water, energy, healthcare, 24-hour market. We got real estate. We got ETFs right here. Let's see. Let's check out this real estate. Real estate, name, price, symbol. Okay, the first one on the list, price, their symbol is PLD, $109 a share. Let's see what they're about. Prologis. Let's see, they're up plus 75% in the last 5 years. That's not bad. You know, that's almost 100%. You know, if you put in $1 million, you'd have almost $2 million now in 5 years. Year to date, they're down. Overall, in the last 5 years, their max, depending on when this company did their initial public offering, they are up 434.88%. So if I put in $1 million, caught this in the beginning, I would have had 4.34. I would have had 4,335,000. You know, but I don't know. Let's see when they were about. Okay, we have the CEO is Hamid R. Meghaddam. Employees, it has 200 to 2,000. They're headquartered in San Francisco. It was founded in 1991. See, so over time, you know, you can make money in stocks. I don't have a lot of time. You know, their market cap is 103 billion, almost 104 billion. Price earnings ratio, $29 per share, I think. Dividend yield is 3%. Yeah, that's, I don't know. Depending on how much money you got in. Average volume, 270. You know, the average high, 52-week high for the year is 136, blah, blah, blah. So back in 1991, if you would have got into it. Investment services, California, real estate, upcoming earnings. Yeah, I don't really give a rat's butt about that. See, what I care about is finding 10 baggers is what they call 10 baggers. I have 100,000. Buy the stock, buy some 100,000 shares. Depending on the amount of time, it goes up 10 times. That's $1 million. That's how you do it. And they're out there all day long. You just got to find them. You know, the last 3 months, I probably owned this for about a year. So in the last year, I'm up 16%. It'll go back up. All $305 all time. I think that's all time high. It's $305. So that's a lot of money you could make right there. And let's see, mine is Next Gen Energy. Let me see, where am I at? More investment, retirement notification accounts. You know, I like the Robinhood app. I just don't like Robinhood. A new season that looked in Q3 earnings reports. Canadian Auto Workers Union, Unifor, ratifies GM labor deal. I don't really care about that. Big Tech's profit machine is popping up. S&P 500 earnings. We'll talk about that later. That's another video on that S&P. Daily movers. We got stocks making the biggest moves today. Vertex Energy, 4%. That's nothing. Right here, you see that? Oh no, that's the price. 0.32%. You know, I mean, that's for the day. You know, who knows, in a month, 2 months, Tesla is up 0.31%. Netflix, care less about Netflix. You know, they could talk about and daily movers and Yahoo Finance all they want. What I'm concerned is the bottom line. So here are some of my stocks that I've bought some of these and I've sold some. I made some money, sold them. And then just got real scared of the stock market, because it's going to crash eventually. Here, I'm saying next year. But over time, you know, if nothing super crazy happens, you can make money in this. Look at all my watch lists right here. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah, my NXE. We'll do I own 9 shares of this right here. It's down 0.9%. Next Gen Energy. My market value is $49. My average cost was $4.67. Portfolio diversity is 100%. I could do better diversifying. You're currently not taking advantage of an income opportunity. You could change that today. Yes, I know. Next Gen Energy Ltd. engages in the exploration and development of uranium properties. Its uranium project portfolio includes Arrow, South Arrow, Harpoon Bow, ISO Energy, SW1, SW2, SW3, and ISO Energy Properties. The company was founded by Lee B. Courier on March 18, 2011. So this company's not that old. And is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for Next Gen Energy, NXE, is Next Gen Energy Ltd. Okay, show less. The CEO is Lee B. Courier. It has 56 employees. 56 employees. Headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Founded in 2011. Its market cap is $2.5 billion. High today is 560. Low today 543. 52-week high $6.45. 52-week low was $3.49. That's almost 100%. Price earning ratio negative 51.19. That's not good. Average volume 4.42 million. Related risks. These guys rated at 100% buy of 12 ratings. Wow. I already knew that. That's why I buy it. I never look at this. I look at the uranium, the sector. But, okay, yeah, I made a good choice right there. But I never listen to these guys. Never. I mean, it's good to confirm, but I don't know. I do my own due diligence. Earnings, it's negative, negative, negative. Quarter one, estimated negative 0.02 per share. Actual, expected November 3rd after hours history. June. I think I bought this back in June. We'll see how it goes. Uranium Energy. This list is based on the portfolios of people on Robinhood who own NXE. It's not an investment recommendation. Uranium Energy, down $5. Denison Mines, it's up $1.49. It's up 1.37%. Energy Fuels, it's at $7. Cameco, UR Energy, Fuel Cell Energy. Denison Mines, that's down a lot. It's down negative 88%. Max, 3 months, it's up 15%. 1 month, 4.2, 1 year, it's up 27% the past year. 27.9%. 27.59. Excuse me, in the last year. That's not bad. You put in $100,000, you'll have 30,000 in a year. That's not bad. That's not bad. You have $1 million. You put in $1 million in the last year. You now have 1,300,000. That's not bad. I can make serious money here in the stock market. We'll go back to. I'm gonna add this to my watch list. Let me see. Denison Mines. Okay. Stock landing. Let's see about earnings. Where we are we at? About Denison Mines Corp. is a corporation developed in uranium in the McLaren Lake and Millwater, Woolbury, Midwest, and hooked with copper. Headquartered in Toronto, Canada. One thing I noticed: Canada has mines all over the world. They're a big buyer up of mines all over the world. Mexico is the biggest silver producer in the world, and Canada owns most of those mines. Mexico is stupid. My people are freaking stupid. They didn't learn their lesson from the Spaniards coming and taking all the gold. Now they're letting the Canadians do it. Gosh, they're so stupid. Mexico could be such a wealthy country if the government wasn't stealing it all. Okay, let's see. I'm going to add this to the watch list. Let me see. How did I do that again? I can do this very easily on my phone. It has it right there, but I'm using the computer. Once I learn how to split screen, I can record myself and these, and you could see it clearly. I got to get on that. Okay, account reward. Okay, where am I at here? Advanced. DNN custom alerts. Yeah, we'll do that later. It's when I know when to sell it really fast. Earnings. Add to lists. Okay. No, DNN. Or maybe DNN is their ticker symbol. Denison Mines. Where's their ticker symbol? Stop lending. Make sure it's their ticker symbol. Trade DNN. I know it is, but I just want to make sure. DNN. Ticker symbol. Canada. Ticker symbol. Excuse me. add this to my uranium list. My gold stocks, my silver mines, my junior miners, ETFs, 15 items. We'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, where we at? Where we at here? This is my next gen. Where is my watch list? Where's my watch list? We will go. Let me see. Where is? I don't know how to get to my watch list on here because I don't ever use the laptop with this. But I'm gonna start. Count. Transfers, machine settings. Where's my watch list? How do I get to my watch list? Let's see. Okay, here we go. So, I've been dinking around on Robinhood for about 4 or 5 years. You know, not really getting serious about it. Here's my watch list, my first watch list. Crypto's to watch. Uranium. Choose a list type. Okay, my first watch list that I ever created. These are some of the stocks that I missed the boat on, that I've been watching for a very long time, years. Okay, TK, we're at the year mark. We're at the year. It's up 40. TK tankers. They move crude oil in big oil ships, crude oil ships, tanker ships. Because that's what I've done for the last 12 years, hauled crude oil in a tanker and a semi-truck. In the last year, TK Tankers is up 46.10%. If I put in $1 million, if I bought $1 million worth of TK Tankers a year ago, I would now have $1,460,000. That's not bad in 1 year. That's almost a 50% profit. Now, in the last 5 years, I've been watching TK for about 3. In the last 5 years, I missed the boat on this one. In the last 5 years, TK Tankers has went up a whopping 400,000%. I am so kicking myself in the butt on this one. If I had $100,000, I would be a multimillionaire right now. And I've been watching this for the last 3 years, 3.5 maybe. And this just went up to there in the last 3 years. See, I know for a fact in today's world where they're printing up trillions and trillions upon trillions of dollars, there is no way I cannot get in the way of some of that, and some of that come my way. Max, let's check out the max. Okay, max time. It's down, plus 118%. But in the last 5 years, 4,000%. 3,968 rounded to the nearest is plus 4,000%. That is a multi-million profit margin off of just 100,000. You know, I think I did buy some TK. Let me see. You know, come on. I don't need this type of crap to tell me it's an 80% buy. I never listen to any analysts They don't know their rears from a hole in the ground. And if they do, we sure the heck ain't gonna know about it. Because by the time we see this right here, it's already way too late. See, that's why I have to know what's gonna happen. I have to stay on top of the world that I live in. So in this TK Tankers, you're currently not taking, okay, TK Tankers, TK Tankers Ltd. Engages in the provision of crude oil and refined petroleum products through the operation of its oil and product tankers. It operates through the tanker and ship-to-ship STS transfer segment. The tanker segment includes the operations of all the tankers, including those employed on full-service lightering contracts. The ship-to-ship transfer segment offers lightering support services provided to conventional tanker segment as a part of the full-service lighting operations. The company was founded in October in 2007, so it's not that old, and is headquartered, take a guess, Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for TNK is Tiki Tankers Ltd. CEO is Mr. Kevin McKay. It has almost 2,000 employees, 1,750. It's headquartered in Hamilton. It's probably Vancouver, Canada. Founded in 2007. Its market cap is $1.47 billion. 52-week high is $48.05. Its 52-week low is 26. That's almost 50%. Dividend yield is 1.16%. That ain't poop. Anything above 20%, 15%, 20% is good to me. Anything above 20%, 25% is okay for me. I like 50%, but you're never going to see that. Average volume, $368,000. Option price is 41. I could buy some options on these. I do really good with stocks. This right here, that 4,000%, that's like a 100-bagger. That's more than a 10-bagger. This list is based on the portfolios of people on Robinhood who own TK Tankers. Tiki Tankers. Let's see here. Scorpion Tankers. Let's check these guys out. Look at this. 212%. 212%. If I put in $1 million 5 years ago, I would now have $3 million in 5 years. That's not bad. It's a good place to park your money. I'm not one of those that, 24% in the last year. You put in $1 million bucks, you would have $240,000. You put in $100,000, you would have $124,000. The max. Let's check out the max. Yeah, I figured it was down, but who knows? I don't care. The last 5 years, I've made money. Let's see, market cap. Let's see where they're headquartered out of. Let's see. Show us. Scorpion Tankers engages in the provision of marine transportation of petroleum products. It consists of wholly owned, financed, leased, and bareboat chartered in tankers. It operates through the following segments. Founded by Emmanuel A. Lauro on July 1st, 2009. See, these are very old companies. Is headquartered in Monaco. That's in Europe somewhere. The listed name for STNG Scorpion tankers is STN is okay, so that's its ticker symbol. Yeah, what the fuck? Come on. 93% buy. I don't need to see this. This is what I need to see. Is at 212% in the last 5 years. That's what I need to see. Earnings is kind of going down a little bit for the quarters. Let's add this to the list, because this could be promising. 200 could go up. Who knows? I don't know. I think we might have missed the boat on these, but okay, let's go back. Energy transfer. It's down 18% in the last 5 years. 1 year, it's up 19%. Year to date, it's up 16%. 3 months, 1 month. Let's see here. Energy transfer provides in the gas, pipeline, transportation, and transmission services. It operates through the following segments: intrastate transportation, intrastate transportation and storage. Interstate transportation and storage, okay. Product services, crude oil transportation services. These aren't too promising. I'm in that industry. It's 100% buy. Yeah, see, it's headquartered in Dallas, Texas. I'm going to be leery about any stocks here in the United States of America. But we'll energy transfer. We'll go ahead and add it to the watch list. My first list. Okay, save the changes. Scorpion tankers, energy transfer. We'll check these guys out. Energy transfer. Let's see in the last 5 years how good they've done. Down 18%. See, last year only 19%. I mean, it's not bad. You put in 100,000, you'd have what, 120,000? 3 months. Yeah. See, you see these guys. Headquartered in Dallas, Texas. Yeah. See, these guys don't do good, especially with what Biden's done and everything. But where am I at here? Okay, we're back at my picks. iPath, S&P 500. What is this? iPath series volatility product. This product is designed to track a volatility index. It is risky and may not be for all investors. Yeah, whatever. Investing is risky. Year to date, it's down 100%, or 5 years. 1 year, down 69%. Anything that has to do with the S&P 500 is not going to do that good. The past month, you could have made 25%. That's not bad. What do these guys do? Vortex is an index that with exposure to futures contracts. Oh, they're contracts. That's why futures. I like trading futures also. I could have made a lot of money. In fact, I did, but they closed my account without my permission. See, Helka Mining. Let's see these guys. We ain't gonna see nothing yet. from the mining sectors. We will soon. Sometime starting next year, they're going to explode. 64%, yeah. I'm looking for 10 baggers. And plus 10 baggers. You see, I find them all day long. I've been following TK Tankers for freaking years. 3-4 years. Could have made a killing there. Generational wealth. Font line. There's a $20 a share. We'll see who these guys are. Font line. See how they've done in the last 5 years. Look at that. Font line. Font line. Up to, did we do Font line? 217%. Font line PLC is an international shipping company which engages in the ownership and operation of oil and product tankers. That's what I do. I haul a tanker. 67%, I don't know. We'll go ahead. I can always find these under my TK Tankers. And that was the very first one I ever started following. TK Tankers. Look at these. Look at all my picks. I haven't even picked these yet. It's just in my sector. I know what the heck I'm doing. All green. Look at that. All green. Oh, I love the color green. But maroon is my favorite color. Stoplight. The color of stoplights is my favorite color. A little bit deeper than that is my favorite color. But we'll go back here. Nordic American Tankers. I heard of these guys. Let's see. The last 5 years, they're up 84%. That's nothing. The last year, 42%. If you would have bought that in the last year, you would have 100,000. You'd have 140,000. Yeah. So okay, let's go back here to my watch list. Bear with me 1 second. So, okay, these are my first watch. In fact, I named it my first watch list. Options watch list. Options watch list. I don't have anything in here. Okay, go back to my first list. Energy Transfer, TK Tankers, Fortuna Silver. I've bought in this before. This is the one I bought and sold. And I made some money off it. Fortuna Silver, the past year, 6%, not too bad. This is why I sold this. Negative 29%. That's why I sold Fortuna Silver Mines. Okay, let's see here. B2 Gold. B2 Gold is down. B2 Gold is down. Agnico Eagle Mines. The past 5 years, it's up 29%. That's not poop. As you can see, to the sector that I work in, but I don't work in that sector anymore. See, these will take off here probably next year, starting next year. These are all going to go, not all of them, we'll see, Wheaton Precious Metals. These are just ones I've been wanting to watch. It's not bad. The last 5 years, $141. I put in $100,000, buy $100,000 worth of shares, I would have $140,000. Wheaton Precious Metals, so we know what they do, precious metals. But Southern Copper, here's one that I'm kicking myself in the butt, I think. I'm pretty sure. The last 5 years, it's up 72%. That's really not too much. But in the last year, let me see. What are we doing here? 72? That's not bad. A good place to park your money. But in the last year, about Southern Copper in the last year, and I've been watching these for a long time. You see, it's my first watch list. Put in 100, I'd have 147,000. Put in $1 million, I would have 470,000 if I bought $1 million worth of shares. See, it's a good place to park your money, but short term, I don't like playing in the stock market. I like making my money and getting out. Where am I at? Why do I got this? Freedom McClure. 1 year, 19%. 5 years. 5 years, another 175%. 1 month, 1 year, 19%. Year to date, it's down 0.7%. I don't know. Okay. Let's, next gen, I own 9 shares of that. Baidu. Why do I got this on my watch list? The last 5 years is down 3.9% or 37%. 1 month, yeah. But the max, almost 2,000%. Look at that. Baidu, 1,793%. What do these guys do? Why do I got this here? Baidu Incorporated engages in the provision of internet search and online marketing solutions. The firm's products and services include Baidu app, Baidu, everybody's heard of Baidu, Freed, Quanmin, Baidu Bor, Import. Let's see, where are they based out of? They're based out of China. That's right. Let's see what they say. It's a 92% buy. You would have bought Baidu in the beginning, you would have been up 1,700%. When was it? Where are we at here? It was founded in 2000, so that was almost 20 years ago. I don't know. I don't see them going anywhere from here. VanEck Uranium Nuclear Energy. VanEck Uranium Nuclear Energy. Why do I got these guys in here? 33% in the last 5 years ain't poop, as you can see to my other picks. It's just something to watch. I don't know, I might take them off. I don't see these guys going anywhere. I haven't really done the research on them, but Global X. Let's see these guys. Global X Uranium, 5 years, 97%, not bad. The max, you're down 75%. Year to date, plus 25%, not bad, depending on how many shares you buy. But let's see. iShares, I don't know about these guys. Silver Trust, I don't know about Trust. I don't even know why I got this on here. Last 5 years, max 60%, really ain't nothing. Walmart, EOG, I used to haul oil for EOG. Okay, let's see Archer. Like I said, the precious metals, Archer Daniels, the max, 580%, 5 years, 50%, that's not bad. Down year to date, down. See, all minings are down. All miners are down, but they will go back up. So I'm really going to keep an eye. Pilgrim's Pride, why do I got these guys? Pilgrim's Pride. Freaking Pilgrims. The max, when were they? 1946. Old company. I don't see them going anywhere, but I don't see them doing any better either. EOG, NASDAQ. Did you see? Check out the NASDAQ. The last 5 years, 86%. 1 year, not bad. Yeah, forget the NASDAQ. I'm telling you, that stuff is going down. That's a whole nother video. I got a secret I want to show you guys. NASDAQ, Tesla. I think I'm going to have to buy some Tesla. I don't see Tesla going anywhere soon. In the last 5 years, it might be doing 1,365%. Those are beyond 10 baggers. I'm going to have to buy me some Tesla. Walmart, I don't know. I think Walmart was going to be going down. Max 193%. That's nothing. It's nothing for Walmart. But I don't see it going anywhere, but I think it might be going somewhere. I think it might be going down. Yeah, so First Solar. I like solar energy. 50% 5 years. I don't know why I got these guys, but that's just a sector I want to keep an eye on, because I really like solar. In the last 5 years, 235%. That's not bad. 225. That's not bad. You had 100,000 shares worth, and in 5 years you'd have 100, and no, you'd have 325%, because you started off with 100. 100% of 100 is 200, plus another 200%, which is 325. So you'd have $325 there. I don't know. I'll keep an eye on this guy. 63% buy, whatever. Okay, that's just some of my first watch lists. Let's go to cryptos to watch. I don't know. I think you got anything in there. Bitcoin. Yeah, we all know about that. 1 year, it is plus 42%. 5 years, plus 333%. That's nothing. But if you bought it 6 years ago, you would have made a killing. Okay, let's see what else I got. Alibaba. I used to watch Alibaba, but I don't see them going anywhere. Max is down, what, 9% year to date. Yeah, see, they're not doing nothing. I might get rid of those guys, even. In fact, stop watching those. Why do I got this? Mercado Libre. I don't know why I got it, but it's up 41% in the last year. If I bought 100,000 shares worth, I would have 141,000. In the last 5 years, if I put in 100,000, I would now have 100% from 100,000 is 200,000. 200% from 100,000 is 300,000. 300% from 1,000 is 400,000, if I'm not mistaken. I went to public school, so my math isn't all that good. You know, in the last 5 years, you tripled your money, quadrupled it, tripled it at least. At least that's why I got those guys. They were founded in 1999, engages in development in an online commerce platform with a focus on e-commerce. Yes, that's why I have those. E-commerce, it's not going anywhere. That's why I have this other one. Where's my first watch list? That's why I have this other one right here. Walmart, First Solar, NASDAQ, Innovative Industry Properties. Why do I got these guys? Max 207. Where was that one? Pilgrim's Pride, EOG Resources, NASDAQ. No, it's not that. Leading company, where was it? Right here. EOG's poopy. I'd never buy EOG again. You know, I don't know. I've bought them before and I've sold them. But Max, EOG, 3,358%. In the last 5 years, it's only plus 8%. Let's see, year to date, they're going down. You know, but anyway, so I'm not going to buy no EOG. Where was that? Innovative Industrial Properties. Where was that one that I had a... Well, they do marketing. that's why I had it, and that's why it's up, because marketing, you know, you got to market and you got to sell. Anything in this world, you market and you sell. Okay, let's go to my uranium stocks. Denson, we already went through these. Energy Fuels, Cameco. Let's see how Cameco's doing. Max, 1,458%. The last 5 years, 214%. You know, I don't see them going anywhere. I don't know. It's uranium, so my gold stocks, like I said, Matella royalty and streaming. Let's see, what do we got here? The last 5 years, 5 years max. Why do I got these guys? They're down 50% from their max. Year to date, they're down. I forgot why I had these guys. Fury Gold Mines, it's up. Fury Gold Mines. These will take off here in a year or so. It's at 34 cents. I mean, come on, 34 cents for a share? You know, you can't go wrong unless it's a company management thing. You know, they're down all across the board. Fury Gold Mines acquisition engages in the acquisition and exploration and development of mineral resource properties. It operates in the Committee Bay, South JV, and the EU Clare projects. The company was founded in 1980, headquartered, take a guess, Vancouver, Canada. You know, they're going to have a lot of money, these companies here, in the next couple of years. Northern Dynasty Minerals, I heard of these guys. They're at 32 cents. You know, they may be doing bad right now, but what are these? Explorers, junior miners? Yeah, these are explorers, explorations and development. So, I don't know. There's a lot of gold under the earth. When they feel like mining it, they'll mine it, but it's something you can't inflate, and you can't print up gold. You have to work for it to get it out. Silver mines, junior mines, ETFs. We'll talk about those in another video, because those are going to do good later. ETFs, Vanguard. I got to find more of these. U.S. Global and Gold Precious Metals Company, Max, 29%, 5 years, 40%, 22% year to date. These, you might get 102% out of these guys here pretty soon. These are like ETFs, exchange trade funds. So he has exposure to these. I want to talk about these Vanguards. U.S. REIT, 1 year. These are down 1 year. 1 year. I haven't bought any of these. This is one I want to keep an eye on. These are over time wealth builders. I don't got all day.